I've always wanted a modular sofa. The idea of easy moves and rearranging my living room on a whim appealed to me. After a lot of research, I decided to give Burrow a shot, and so far, I have mixed feelings. Let's break down the good and the not so good. Pros. Setup is a breeze. Seriously, I assembled my entire 3-seater sofa by myself in less than an hour. No tools needed, and everything clicked together perfectly. Surprisingly comfy. Burrow sofas aren't going to sink into a cloud comfortable, but they're firm and supportive. Great for lounging with a book or movie. Adaptable. The modular design is brilliant. I love being able to move the chaise to either side or make my sofa bigger if we have guests. Durable fabric. I went with the Nomad fabric, and it's held up amazingly to my cat's claws and the occasional coffee spill. Cons. It's a look. The Burrow aesthetic is very specific. It's modern and clean, which might not be everyone's style. A bit pricey. While not the most expensive sofa out there, Burrow isn't cheap. You might get more bang for your buck elsewhere if you don't care about modularity. Firmness for some. If you love super soft, plush couches, this might feel too stiff for long naps. Limited options. Don't expect a ton of fabric choices or customizations compared to other sofa brands. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.